Hi, welcome to our channel Job Villa. Today we are going to discuss the jobs present in Spanish company meena Business Investment Group. So discuss the details of the job. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button. We are urgently fulfilling the following vacancies for one of our client, a major leading PMC company in the construction industry in Saudi Arabia and the region. Interested candidate Saudi and expatriates with related experience PMC to the listed vacancies are kindly requested to send their CVs to job at meena-big.com or apply directly on website www.meena-big.com. So positions are: first position is architecture manager, year of experience required 25 and reference number also mentioned in row. Commercial director, next is 25 year of experience. Commercial manager, 25 years of experience. Construction manager, 20 years of experience. HSC director, 25 year of experience. HSC manager, 25 year of experience. Engineering manager, 25 year of experience. Interface manager, 20 year of experience. Logistic manager, 20 year of experience. Planning director, 25 year of experience. Planning manager, 20 year of experience. Program director, 25 year of experience. Project control director, 25 year of experience. Project control manager, 25 year of experience. Project director, 25 year of experience. QA QC manager, 20 year of experience. Technical director, 25 year of experience. These are the positions. About the company, meena Big is a Spanish company specialized in recruitment services and human resource consultancy. So apply for these positions. Please send your CV job at meena-big.com. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Thank you.